We've been familiar with and used to having streaming sources from the likes of National Police Air Service for a number of years now, which can get relayed into our control room. But one of the areas that was lacking was the ability to have streaming from individual officers.
So with the D-series cameras, one of the interesting features is the Wi-Fi and the ability to stream. And we need to look at operationally, in an operational context, how that could work, specifically in a firearms operation.
Picture on me.
Having the facility to have direct streaming into a control room of what the officer is seeing from their body-worn video, it would enable me to assess continually the tactics that are required, how I can support the officers that are at the scene dealing with the event, allowing them to concentrate on the task in hand.
Yeah, we're in position, black side cover on.
And indeed reduce the amount of time that I have to get updates from the officers, because I would be able to see this coming through in a live stream type scenario.
Face the car and onto your knees. Keep your hands on your head. Support.